Hi students. This week we're going to explore the background and the reality of life in the New York City area during the 1920s. And of course, since F. Scott Fitzgerald actually named it the Roaring Twenties himself, we're going to divide up into groups and do different sections of the culture and society and the area itself. So this is the beginning of the slideshow template. That's our introduction, and you'll see as you go through the template, you have been assigned to a group. For example, Aaliyah, Tommy, Finn, Grace, and Miana are going to be researching the Victorian era plus the end of World War I and what life was like at that time, the dress, the customs, mannerisms, attitudes of people, you name it. So that's a very broad category to try to find a lot of different information on. And as you go through the slides, you will find your particular slide with your group members, and then you as a group can decide how you want to divide up researching the different components. And then you're going to compile all of your information onto a set of slides. Now you're obviously going to need to duplicate the first slide or the second slide and add it into the project so that hopefully by the very end, every group will have contributed several slides on their topic to this main slideshow. But since we're all in different sections, different days, what I would like your group to do is take your set of slides and actually do a Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using, and do a voiceover and be able to explain to us all the things that you were able to learn. So for those hybrid kids, you're going to be doing a voiceover that we're going to listen to in class, but then you're going to have the opportunity to expand on your voiceover. My RLA kids, we are going to listen to everyone's slides in context. So therefore, you're going to have access to the hybrid kids materials plus what you did. And actually, that goes both ways. The hybrid kids, you're going to be able to see what the RLA kids did. So at the conclusion of this, when we actually do our presentations, you're going to be able to see every aspect of the Roaring Twenties. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun to learn about the real world that F. Scott Fitzgerald moved and lived in and people of the Roaring Twenties. And most of us, have ancestors who were either already here or, how the Roaring Twenties influenced other people around the world. It's going to be fun. All right, this is what we're doing this week.